Indonesia berdiri. Alright guys, it's time for an Indonesian mukbang. Let's try again. It's time to rate this bad boy. Because of the different type of spices, I'm gonna give the food in general recently within the comments up, it was suggested to me to try something different. Sublime. The chicken is tender. It's made very well, very fresh. I give it a 10 out of 10. To try some Indonesian food. And Indonesian food is what I'm searching for today. And it said, if you really want to show people one of the best foods in the world, try Indomie. So let's go to the American and International Supermarket of Fresh World and see if we can find some Indomie. Join me. So let's see if I can find some Indomie. Hello. What do you call noodles in Thailand? Noodles, like noodles. What do you call it? Krutio? Yeah. In Thai, krutio. Yeah. Gap. Alright. So, I'm not trying to find some krutio or some Korean ramen or some Filipino pancit. I'm trying to find some noodles from Indonesia, which they call Indomie. So I have my work cut out for me because here in this international supermarket, they have essentially every type of foods from Central America, South America, Asia, all different parts. So let's see what I can find. And boom, it shows that they have an aisle specifically for instant noodles. So here goes our normal ramen that we see Maruchan in the United States. Where is this even made from? Irvine, California, made in USA, but look at that. 180 calories per serving, but per pack, it's 370, and it has so much sodium, 38%, and then 77% per package. So you really are putting a lot of sodium inside of your body with these different flavors. And I don't think this is really good for you with all these different flavors that they have. So let's make our way down, and we have our Japanese yakisoba, spicy chicken flavor, chow mein, all different nations here. Spicy noodles from Korea. I don't think I'll be messing with that. Spicy noodle mukbang. Here we go. Indomie instant noodles. Aside from the 30 content pack box that they have here, they have single packs right here of Indomie. But look at that price. 49 cents for one? I don't know about that. That's expensive. I don't know if it's worth it. My goodness. I don't got money like that. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and take the hit. 49 cents is what it is. So, hola. Where are you from?
Me?
No, the person behind you.
Mexico.
Mexico? Okay, well that's great. I like Mexico. Gracias.
¿Habla español también?
No. Inglés solamente. Sí. Okay, gracias, muy amable.
Gracias.
Oh yeah. Let's go cook this food. Indonesia berdiri. Selamat datang. Welcome to my channel. So I finally made it back home with my 3 Indomie selections. Let's take a look. Alrighty then. First up, I have the meat goreng barbecue chicken flavor. I'm only gonna try one to make this quick, so let's keep moving. Next up we have the chicken flavor, Indomie. Last up, we have the mee goreng fried noodles. For me, I'd rather just go ahead and try the fried noodles. So what I'll do is mix a couple of items that I see within the package into the meal. So I have the green peas, I have some egg, and the noodles itself. So let's just try the fried noodles. Let's do it. First up, the green peas. I did not thaw them, but I did rinse them. So let's go ahead and place them into the pot as it's boiling. All right, give that a little bit of a soak. And then from there, I'll go ahead and fry the egg. All right, let's put this pan on medium heat with extra virgin olive oil. Let's go ahead and take one egg, just as I see on the package, and I'll just go ahead and place it right within the pan. Just like that. All right, the green peas have been boiling for a good amount of time. Let's go ahead and place in the Indomie. Looking at the nutritional values, this will give me 390 calories. Oh my. Woo! I'm not sure if that's very healthy, but we'll try it just for this video. And as you can see, the egg is getting a good frying. I'm not going to fry it too much because I want it to be just like that. So I might as well just go ahead and turn it a little lower. Putting in the Indomie. Wow, all of this just for that? No wonder it costs more than $4 for $1 like normal ramen noodles that you see in the United States. This is a lot of stuff. This must be tasty. Look at that. So per the instructions, I'm going to let it simmer for 3 minutes. Let's do it. Just like that. Alright, let's go ahead and stir our Indomie for a little bit. Alright, and that should be enough for our egg. And while that's cooking, per the instructions, we should mix all seasoning sachets on a plate while the noodles are being cooked. Let's do it. This has bumbu and fried onion. Alright, that's 3 minutes. Let's turn it off. And here we have the seasoning oil, which is minyak bumbu, and some soya sauce and some chili sauce all in one. It's getting a little messy. Get that. I'm excited. I can't wait to taste it. All right, let's go ahead and give that a good mixing, just like the instructions state. Look at that. Okay, now it's time to remove the noodles and drain it well. Drain these noodles. Leave a little bit of moisture in there because I do want it to be a tad bit soupy, so we'll stop with that. All right, now it's time to add the noodles to the seasoning and mix it well. All right, here we go. A lot of green peas. I'm not gonna put them all in there. Don't want to ruin the taste. I'll save that for another dish. Now it's time to mix it well with the seasoning. Now it's time to get my egg. Just like the package. Mari makan! Alright guys, it's time for an Indonesian mukbang! Alright, mari makan! So a bit hot, but let's roll with it. Let's get a little bit of egg with it as well. First time eating Indonesian food. Let's do it. Got some on the camera. It's okay. The egg, the crispiness of the egg kind of takes away from the flavor, but I guess it provides extra protein or fiber, I don't know. But the peas, of course, are good. Adds a little veggie taste to it. The noodles, I think I should have left more water in there, but it's fine. It's to each their own in regards to how they like their noodles. The spices, it's not spicy at all, even though it did have some chili in there. Let's try again. It's good. I like the fact that it gives so many different spice choices in there. And all the different sachets of spices. I've never seen that within any type of noodles, ever. Let's try again. Pretty good. I like it. It's a nice blend of tanginess, but not like hot, spicy. It's pretty good. I like it. Alright. It's time to rate this bad boy. Overall, because of the different type of spices, I'm gonna give the food in general a 7 out of 10. But for the price being 49 cents per pack, you can do better than that, Indomie. I know it has to ship all the way from Indonesia, but 49 cents per pack is just a little bit too steep. When normally you can go to Walmart and get the Maruchan ramen noodles for $5 for $1. It used to be $6 for $1 back in the day. So I know you add the extra spices, but I pegged you down 1 point just because of the price. If you're gonna make it practical, you gotta keep the price within people's like me ranges, which is cheap people. Know what I mean? Sedap. It's pretty good. All right. Well, thank you for joining me, guys. Join me next time where I'll be tasting many other foods in many new places. Holler at your boy. Bonus. And here we go again. Another random caballeros trying to take pictures of my car. I think I should charge this guy like $5 for taking photos. This is like every day. $5, señor. $5. Maybe? You want a photo?
No, I'm good.
1992.
92?
See.
I had a 90 Toyota Crown, so that's why I'm looking at it.
A 1990 Crown?
Yeah.
Where, in the United States?
Yeah, and I had a Cressida too.
Oh.
Yeah.
We had a 90 Crown in the US?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Well, we brought it from Mexico to here.
Okay, so
Yeah.
there we go. That makes more sense.
And
Okay.
a friend of mine had a Cressida too.
Right.
Beautiful.
All right.
And, I like the square boxes. I had a Maxima 86 too, the one that is a square box.
Really?
Yeah. I just sold that probably about 7 years ago.
So
But this is beautiful though.
I appreciate
oh my
it.
God.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna start charging $5. This is every day. Todos los días.
Where do you get it?
Japón.
Oh yeah? Oh, you was in the military?
No.
Yeah?
Everyone thinks that.
Yeah. It's the easiest way to get them over here.
That's the only way if you want a good one.
Well, it's beautiful though. Congratulations.
Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you for the love.
It brings me good memories because my Toyota Crown was beautiful.
Right.
Like I used to get a lot of things that people never seen those cars before.
Right. If this dies, I'll get a Crown myself.
Yeah.
If it dies.
Beautiful.
Thank
How
you.
many miles you got in it?
It's only 74 right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Original engine?
Everything's original. Bone stock.
Nice.
I didn't change anything. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, gracias. Oh yeah. I need to make like a compilation video of how many people want to take pictures of me, of my whip, before me getting into it. It happens every day. Well, now it's time to go cook this Indomie and see what we can do.